Hello everyone, this is lesson number 22, HSK 3, chapter 8. And let's start. Chapter 8. The first word today is 熊猫,熊猫. Today we have 5 words. 熊猫, panda. Panda is Chinese famous creature, famous animal, the most famous. 熊, it's a bear, bear. And Mao, it's a cat. So it's bear cat. And I think it's describe panda pretty good. So let's see. 熊猫很可爱. Pandas are very cute. Pandas are very cute. 熊猫很 is very 可爱. It's cute. 熊猫很可爱. Next one. I see pandas in the park. 我在公园看熊猫。我在 I am at 在什么的公园 at the park 在公园看 to look at something or to see something 熊猫 panda. So I see pandas in the park. 我在公园看熊猫。Next one. Pandas like peace and quiet. 熊猫喜欢安静。安静 it's our next word. 安静 it's it's a peace. And 静 it's a quiet, I think. Something like that. Or maybe vice versa. But peace. 安静. So I checked. It's a peace, and Qing it's a quiet place. As you can see, we have a news, a girl on the bottom, and roof, character roof on the top, radical roof. So when a girl under the roof, or your wife under the roof, it's represent peace in your life. Maybe something like that. 熊猫喜欢安静。Pandas like peace. 熊猫喜欢安静。Pandas like peace and quiet. Let's see next one. 安静 quite peaceful. Let's see. The park is very quiet. 公园很安静。公园 park, public park, and is very 安静 quiet. So 公园很安静. The park is very quiet. You can peaceful quiet. I think quiet is more popular translation. 很安静. It's 安静 not 静 it's 静 more like 静 安静. A bit more air come out of your mouth. So because 气 and 静 something like that. Next one. He likes quiet places. 他喜欢安静的地方。他喜欢 he likes 地方 it's a places but not standard places. 安静的地方 so 安静的 it's quiet places, so we need this the to connect them. So places which quiet places. Quiet places. 对。他喜欢安静的地方。As you can see, 地方 it's with zero tone. 地方. We have different tones for different meanings. So 地方 with the fourth and zero, it's places. But 地方 with the fang with the first one, it's represent some localities, some places in your country, for example, some distant places, something like that. So here is zero tone 地方，他喜欢安静的地方，地方对。Next one, please be quiet. I want to fall asleep. 请安静，请安静。Also, teacher, if he were mad, very strict, sometimes he and the children are very noisy, he can say something like that. 安静，安静一下，或者安静。So quiet, quiet. 请安静 Please be quiet. I want to fall asleep. 我要睡着，睡着。我要 I want to 睡着，睡着。So I want to fall asleep. 请安静。我要睡着。I want to fall asleep. 睡着。Next word, it's to meet someone. To meet someone. 见面，见面。见 is to see someone. 面 is it's a face. So to see someone to face to face. To see someone face. So to meet someone. I met with him. 我跟他见面了。我跟他 I with him 跟他 because it's a verb, so we need to say 见面了. This l represent past simple. I met, not meet, met. So 我跟他见面了. Met him. Oh, just to meet. Oh, he see him in private. Face to face. Let's meet in a short while. Okay? 我们一会儿见面吧。我们 we 一会儿 short while 一会儿 so 一会儿 represent in a short while you can say or in after a short period of time after a bit after very soon you can say very soon 我们一会儿见面吧见面to meet and 吧 for let's so 我们一会儿见面吧 and okay also for 吧 so 我们一会儿 this 一会 you can say 一会儿 but we need to read it 一会儿 so we remove this e and replace it with just remove and replace it with 一会儿对 so we just represent arization r 我们一会儿见面吧Next one, he was very warm-hearted. He was very warm-hearted when we met. 见面时他很热情。见面时 at the time when we met or when we see each other. 见面时的时候or 时 time or something. 他很热情。she is very 热情 warm-hearted 热情见面时她很热情 is warm-hearted Next word it's 年纪 not 七年纪 T with a lot of air so as you can see on the right part it's the same character as a Didi, little brother. But on the left part, it's mu. It's a wood. So before, as you know, Dian it's electric, right? And T it's a stairs. But it's on the right part we can see D, T, so it's just pronunciation. On the left part, meaning because before ladders, stairs, ladders is better. Ladders they was made from wood. So that's why it's like that. But it's not normal wood, not normal ladder. It's electric ladder, DNT. So elevator. Let's see. I wait for him in the elevator. Elevator.我在电梯我在电梯里等他。I am 在电梯里work together to create inside of something in the elevator. So 在电梯里inside of elevator 等他 wait someone 等 to wait someone. So 我在电梯里等他。Wait for him in the elevator. Next word. The elevator reached the 5th floor. 电梯到5层了。The new word. Oh no, maybe we saw this. 层 4 letters. It's not 层, it's 层 because it's ng. 层 represent floor. So 5层 5 floor. Or as you can see here, 5th floor. Because it's I think because it's down something, so up to something, so it's implied it's 5th floor. So 电梯 the elevator 到5层了 reached the floor. No. Here's down to reach something, and l works together with down because past simple reached. So 电梯到5层了 reached the 5th floor, but in Chinese it just reached 5th floor. So we don't need to say 第5层. Same in Cantonese. So they don't say 第5 floor. But if we say 这个第一次 first time, we need to say 第一次或者 fifth time 第5次. But here we don't need to say. 电梯到5层了 The elevator down to reach something. 5th floor. Next one. He's afraid of taking the elevator. 他害怕坐电梯. As you can see, our next word for today and last one is 害怕, to be afraid of something. So he's afraid of taking the elevator. 他害怕坐电梯. Here, 害怕 to be afraid of something. 坐电梯 to sit on the elevator. 电梯 electric ladder. So 坐 we know it's to sit somewhere, but also we know it's to take something. For example, to take a bus, 坐公共汽车或者坐地铁 to take a metro. So here's 坐 to take some. Oh, interesting. To take some. So to take some transport for moving. So 他害怕坐电梯. He's afraid to sit in the elevator. Next one, 害怕 to be afraid of something. So it's verb. Am I afraid of pandas? 我害怕熊猫吗 just for question. 我害怕 I afraid of what? 熊猫 pandas, and mom just for question. So 我害怕熊猫吗 我害怕熊猫吗 Am I afraid of pandas? Or 你害怕熊猫吗 Are you afraid of pandas? 害怕 He's afraid of riding the elevator. 他害怕坐电梯 他害怕 he's afraid to take the elevator or riding the elevator. 坐电梯坐 to sit to ride. So 他害怕坐电梯 And last one for today is don't be afraid. It's very safe. 别害怕，很安全。别 it's don't do something. 害怕 to be afraid. So don't be afraid. 别害怕。很 it's very you could say 他很 or just 很安全 it's we know as a peace but also as a safe place. So 安全 it's safety. 全 like completely safety. 安全 it's very safe. 很安全 so 别害怕很安全 very safe. Let's repeat what we learned today. The first word is 熊猫熊猫 panda. 安静 quite peaceful. 见面 to meet something. 见面电梯 elevator. And last one is 害怕 to be afraid of something. And let's learn one new idiom for today. Before we learn 百发百中, hit the target every time or always successful. Today we learn new one. 东张西望. What does that mean? 东 it's east. 张 here is to look or look. Look. See west and one gaze. Let's see. Look around or look in all directions. He looks around in class and isn't serious. And isn't serious. His study not so good. 他上课东张西望，不认真。So 他上课 at the time of class or 上课时 also could say 我上课的时候东张西望。So 东 it's east, 西 it's a west, and this one just synonyms of words 看 to look at something. So 张 and 望。上课东张西望，不认真。We know this 认真 is to be serious about something. 上课东张西望。So it's pretty interesting word and not word idiom. 成语东张西望. So I hope it was helpful and see you in the next one.